Good morning, YouTube and friends. Since I retired 3 years ago, I have picked up a small hobby of woodworking. And like all hobbies, they will drain your wallet quickly. I thought I would show what I have in a single car garage slash shop now. Car never sees this space, just tools and me. First is my pegboard, which is about 4x4. Levels, rulers, squares, clamps. Gotta have clamps. I wish I had more, I don't. Saws, hacksaw, hand saws, back saw, different Japanese pull saws, wood chisels, dust mask, got to have a dust mask, wrenches for mainly repair and or adjustment of other tools, putty knives for scraping wood, glue off of wood, sorry, pliers for this and that, different bits, Forstner bits, spade butts, not often used. Got to have a brush for cleanup. If you can't clean up and you can't keep organized, you're going to have a mess. Screwdrivers, chisel and plain blade sharpeners, assorted drill bits. Got to have lots of glue and lots of tape. I make a lot of picture frames, so a lot of miter corners to deal with. A couple of homemade mallets for banging on chisels using an old rolling pin, works just fine. On the other side, table saw, band saw, drill press, disc and belt sander, router table, my main cleanup and dust collection, shop vac, chop saw, miter saw, assorted nails and screws, and various other parts. I throw nothing away, as evidenced by this handmade watch looking clock made from Hewlett-Packard gears. I took apart to throw away, but I kept all the gears and all the metal rods and all that kind of thing and got rid of the rest of the printer. Just an effort to keep things neat. So that's my small tour of my small shop. And again, single car garage, car never sees it, just me and my tools. But all in all, fun for the retired folk or just the DIY folk in general. But you can do a lot with a little, and that's where we are at this point. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.